Everything is designed, whether you're making art or not.
For me, design is everything that is not made by nature itself.
Design always had very clear limitations in terms of briefing. You know, you work with someone as a clear brief.
The process is the design. It's not actually the object itself.
I thought, okay, well, most motion is natural.
My work begins as this investigation into a singular material in its purest form.
We want to celebrate the body of the athletes.
Free and natural motion is all about lightweight, flexible, and close to the body.
The nature of motion.
The nature of motion.
The nature of motion.